11th Standard Botany Chapter 2 Plant Kingdom Book Back Evaluation. Which of the plant grow as gametophytic as a dominant phase? Answer: bryophyte. Which of the following represents gametophytic generation in pteridophytes? Rhizophore. The haploid number of chromosomes for an angiosperm is 14. The number of chromosomes in its endosperm would be 42. Endosperm in gymnosperm is formed before fertilization. Children, I have not given the options here, so you learn the options, find out which option is correctly given in the question paper and you write it. But you have to learn the answers properly, then it will be easy for you to find the option. Answer 5. Differentiate aplontic and diplontic life cycle. Aplontic, it is a gametophytic phase, is dominant. Photosynthetic phase is independent. Okay, both the phases are independent. Saprophytic phase is dominant and photosynthetic phase is independent. Okay. Sporophytic phase is represented by the zygote. Gametophytic phase is represented by a single to few cell gametophyte. Example for aplontic is volvox and example for diplontic is fucus. So learn this answer properly. Answer number 6. What is plectostele? Give example. Okay. It is a type of a protostele. Plectostele is a type of a protostele in which xylem plates alternates. Okay, it alternates with phloem plates. Xylem plates alternate with phloem plates. Example: Lycopodium clavatum. Example: Lycopodium clavatum. Question number 7. What do you infer from the term pycnoxylate? It refers to a type of wood in gymnosperm. SPERMS, gymnosperms, which is compact with narrow medullary rays. Example: Pinus. Answer number 8. Mention 2 characteristics shared by gymnosperms and angiosperm. Many children, you misunderstand this question and you write it as a differences between gymnosperm and angiosperm. If you write so, that answer is not correct. It is a wrong answer. They have asked you to write the characters shared, that is similar characters between gymnosperms and the angiosperms. Both plant groups produce seeds. Both have the eustele. Both have well organized plant body with root, stem and leaves. So these are the characters which is shared by both gymnosperms and angiosperm. Question number 9. Do you think shape of chloroplast is unique for algae? If so, justify your answer. Variation among the shapes of chloroplast is found in algae and it is very unique. There are different shapes of chloroplast found. Let's go with it. Chlamydomonas, cup-shaped chloroplast. Chara, discoid chloroplast. Elothrix, griddle-shaped chloroplast. Edogonium, reticulate chloroplast. Spirogyra, spiral chloroplast. Zyneema, stellate chloroplast. Moctua, plate-like chloroplast. They contain chlorophyll A and B photosynthetic pigment, and the chloroplast contains pyrenoid also. The pyrenoid is used for storing the food. Question number 10. Do you agree with the statement bryophyte need water for fertilization? If yes, justify your answer. Yes. In bryophyte, sexual reproduction occurs in the gametophyte. The anthrozoites have flagella and swim in the thin film of water to reach the archegonium. They fuse with the egg and form the zygote, which initiates the sporophyte. Thus, without water, the life cycle of bryophyte cannot be completed. The anthrozoites need to swim in the water to reach the archegonium, the female part. Only then the fertilization will take place. So, water is needed for bryophyte. Question number 11. List the classes of algae. Algae has got 11 classes. We'll see one by one. Chlorophyceae, Chrysophyceae, Cryptophyceae, Chloromonidae, Euglenoophyceae, Rhodophyceae, Xanthophyceae, Basilarioophyceae, Dinophyceae, Euglenoophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Cyanophyceae. So altogether you got 11. 12th question, mention the pigment and storage food of Dinophyceae. What is the pigment for Dinophyceae, chlorophyll A and C? Mention the storage food. What is storage dear? Starch and oil. So starch and oil is the storage food and the pigment is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C. Question number 13. What is nuchal? In the algae chara, the female sex organ is called the oogonium or nuchal. So what is nuchal? It is a female sex organ in algae chara. It is located above the male sex organ called antheridium globule. So you need not write this point also. It's enough if you write this. It is a female sex organ of chara. Question number 14. Differentiate node and internodal cells of chara. Okay, what is a node and what is an internode? The main axis of chara is branched into long and differentiated with nodes and internodes. Let's look into internodes. The internode is made up of elongated cells in the center called axial cell, surrounded by vertical small cells. They are called cortical cells. The internodal cells have a large central vacuole, nuclei and a discoid chloroplast. Now, let's see the nodal cell. What is the character for the nodal cells? They are uninucleated with few epizoidal chloroplasts. That is about the nodal cell. Now, let's move to the final question, 15th question. Internal structure of Cycas rachis. Okay. The outermost layer is called epidermis. It is covered by cuticle. First point. Second is, hypodermis is made up of two layers, sclerenchyma on the adaxial side and many layered on the abaxial. Adaxial is upper side, abaxial is lower side. The ground tissue is parenchymatous. It is peculiar of the rachis and arranged of vascular bundle, and the vascular bundle is omega shape. The vascular bundle is single and it is made up of sclerenchyma. Vascular bundles are collateral, endark and open. So this is a diagram which you will have to draw. For further verification, you can also check with your textbook. A single layered endodermis is produced. Few layered pericycle is there. A dipsoxalic condition is present where the vascular bundles are present both in the centripetal and centrifugal xylem. And this is about your rachis. So till this you will have to write for the rachis. Children, it will be a detailed long answer.